All right. So as we know in Linux, everything is a file, and if you are even dealing with the normal data, any documents or any devices, anything it can be, anything like printer or anything, it's just a file for Linux. So if you have seen in Windows, you have seen that like the file system is like a tree. It's structured like a tree. There is one file and sorry, a folder, and you have a folder inside that and bunch of files, and it can have another folder, and it can have a bunch of files in that and folder, and it goes on. uh, so yeah, the tree is like an inverted tree, which is the origin point is called a root directory. That's the root. It's like a beginning of the file system. So currently we are in the home path. If you check, this is the home path, and usually the root is uh, designated by just a single slash. That's a forward slash. So now if I go to cd slash, this is the my root path. If I check the path, this is a root path, root of the directory system, the file system. Actually, this is the home directory. If you can see here, this is the slash home. So if in the inside this, you can see there is one folder. This is the username. So basically, this is the home directory. So under this, we can have it serves as a home for multiple users or based on functionality. Let's say home slash faculty, staff, students, something like that. So couple of directories which are important under the home directory. You can see here. One is uh, bin directory. So that contains all the executable binaries. For example, all the commands that we type. For example, ls and cat. All these examples, oh sorry, all these commands are coming from the bin directory. So to show you that, like cd slash bin. So now we are inside the bin. Now if you see, there are so many binaries. These are all binaries. Let's try looking at cat. So if you see here, and if I try to open this with some editor cat, oh sorry, yeah, this is actually binary. We can't read this. This is a binary, so this is a read-only file. So these are all the binary files that we have in um, slash bin under the home directory. Next one you have is that there is a one more directory called uh, sbin. Okay, so sbin directory. So this essentially contains the all essentially binaries related to system administration. So we have this command ip, and there is fsck. So these are all these commands all are present in the sbin directory. So these are two main essential directories for the system. So one is for these commands and another is for system administration command. So we have one more, couple of more, not one more. One second. Yeah, we have a couple of more directories. One is called user bin usr slash bin and usr yes bin. So basically the commands which are not essential for the system, those are all kept in these directory. One is user bin and one is user is s bin. So this was done so that uh, this user could reside in a separate file system that could be mounted at a later stage, of a system startup, or even on a network. So, but nowadays, most find this distinction to be very obsolete. In fact, many distributions have been discovered to unable to boot with this separation. So, and it's not tested for a long time. So nowadays it's like the slash bin and slash user slash bin, both are same. So they just point to each other. If you see here, these are like symbolically these are linked. Sbin and user has been. So instead of four directories, it's essentially just uh, two directories now.